Hey there, if you're looking for a simple way to track your contacts and your addresses, this spreadsheet is perfect for you. It works in Google Sheets and Excel, super easy to use, and I'll show you how it works. So we're just going to do a sample here. Everything that we're doing here, we're just typing in the cell. So we can put the person's name, choose from the drop-down box the category of who the person is. Is this friend or family? Is this a work contact? So let's just say they're friend. We'll put the street name, the city, and we're just typing in the state, the zip, the phone number, their email. If they have a website, and if they have a social media handle to remember, if they have a birth date, and any notes that you want to remember about the person. So you can use this for your personal use. You can use this planning a wedding. You can use this for your business. This is very, very versatile. It's available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. Again, it works in Google Sheets and Excel.